How to add Morph Transition in Google Slides. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. So in your Google slide, you can present your very own slide or you can even select one from templates as well. To add a Morph transition, you need to go ahead and select on the slide option. Before that, if you need any of the necessary edits such as to insert text, images, you can do that by tapping on the insert button. Then head over and click on the slide option and tap on transition. To add a transition, first and foremost, expand the None option. Over here, as you can see, currently there is no morph option. So what we can do is we can fake the morph transition by selecting on the fade option. Then tap on the apply to all slides. When you give it a play, it will have similar effect to as morph transition. However, sadly, as for today, Google Slide itself does not have a morph transition feature. We hope that it comes up with the necessary edit with the latest transition feature as well. Till then, you can try out the other transitions. That sums up the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.